Okay, I cut it with the grinder like this much, as you can see. And let's see if we can break it now. If we can, good. I really would like that it opens, but I don't think it's gonna be that easy. I'm gonna put the phone down at least. We managed to open it. Okay, that didn't take long, but still, we wouldn't even need to cut it with a grinder. Just that crowbar worked. Alhamdulillah. Okay, now we need to find another padlock, so we lock this door, and I will still have to climb over that gate.